Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Paytm to subscribe to Amazon Prime, so let's get right into it. Well, this is for Amazon Prime, but it works for Prime Video as well, and I'm pretty sure you can only do this through Amazon Prime. I'm not sure if you can only get a Prime Video subscription, so I won't be explaining that since I'm not sure if it's possible. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is go to Paytm, and of course make sure you have enough money, and then what you're going to want to do is purchase a Amazon shopping gift card. Depending on the subscription that you want, whether it's monthly or yearly, you're going to need to select that appropriate amount of money, and then purchase that appropriate amount of money through a gift card. Once you have a gift card, you can go over to Amazon, and then when you hover over account and lists, some people have a your Amazon or your Prime subscription over here. If I go into memberships and subscriptions, I just don't see anything, and I don't have the option to subscribe to it. But what you can also do is just go into Prime, by clicking on accounts and list, going into Prime, and then you can select them from here. Some people have the option to purchase it with a gift card as well. I don't have it for some reason, but you can search for it. But if you have a gift card, you can also go into gift cards, click on redeem gift cards, and then just enter your code, apply to balance, and then use that balance to purchase a Prime subscription, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.